September 1995. The skies turned black. The rains tore the earth apart. For days, Punjab was drowning. But even when the waters rose, the spirit of its people refused to sink. It was September 1995. The sky turned dark. Thunder roared for 3 long days and nights. The rain poured down as if the heavens themselves had burst open. Ludhiana, Fatehgarh Sahib, Patiala, Barnala, everywhere there was water. Nothing but water. The village of Kalran in Fatehgarh Sahib was no longer the same. In the fields once stood crops, millet, maize, cotton, moong, all ready for harvest. But now the fields looked like a sea. On the roof of his mud house, farmer Gurmukh Singh stood, eyes lifted to the dark sky, his heart heavy, his eyes filled with worry. Waheguru Ji, the fields are drowned, the crops are gone. Will this house collapse too? Inside, his wife Kiranjit Kaur tried to calm the children. Water had reached the doorstep. The little ones shivered with fear. Their 10-year-old son, Harpreet, whispered softly, "Papaji, it looks like the waters of Sutlej and Beas have entered our village. Will we survive?" Gurmukh placed a trembling hand on his son's head. "Beta, life and death lie in Waheguru's hands, but courage is in ours. If we lose courage, then everything is lost." Day by day, the waters rose higher. People pushed their cows, their buffaloes, their oxen onto rooftops for safety. Gurmukh, too, struggled to save his 2 oxen, but one slipped and was swallowed by the flood. A cry tore from his chest. "My companion of the plough, you too are gone into the waters." The elder, Balwant Singh, placed a hand on his shoulder. "Son, animals are Waheguru's blessings. Do not weep. As long as man lives, he can build everything again." 3 days passed. The village stood like an island. Women lit damp wood, struggling to bake half-cooked rotis. The children's lips were parched. Even milk was gone. Holding her youngest close, Kiranjit whispered, "My son, today there may be no food, but a mother's love will always keep you warm." And so women shared flour, exchanged pots, whatever little they had, they shared with each other. On the 4th day, 2 boats arrived. Soldiers called out, "Come quickly! Who needs help? Women and children first!" But the villagers shook their heads. Their homes, their cattle, their land, they could not leave behind. Elder Balwant Singh spoke firmly. "For us, our homes, our oxen, our fields, our everything. Life may go on, but without them, a farmer is incomplete." On the 5th day, at last, the sun rose. Slowly, the waters began to pull back, but the damage was done. The fields ruined. Mud houses collapsed. Gurmukh looked at his son, Harpreet, and said, "See, my child, the flood has taken everything. But remember, a farmer who does not give up hope, his fields will never stay barren. Today is destruction, but tomorrow there will be greenery again." The boy's eyes lit up. "Papaji, when I grow up, I will rebuild these fields so strong that even a flood will be afraid." The flood of 1995 destroyed thousands of villages in Punjab, but courage, unity, and brotherhood brought life back once again. Yes, the crops were lost. Yes, the homes collapsed, but hope and determination stayed alive. Even today, Punjab faces challenges, the struggles of farming, the worries of youth, sorrows rising like floods. But remember, just as we did not fall in 1995, we will not fall today. Punjab is the land where hard work and courage never lose. So do not grieve, O Punjab. The whole nation stands with you. Every heart is praying for you. We rose victorious then, and we will rise victorious again. Today, even if the soil is drowned, tomorrow it will bloom again. Let's come together and build that tomorrow. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so this spirit reaches every heart.